transmission fundamentals, and we will learn about different concepts. Right. So as we know that in case of wireless transmission, we use signals for transmitting information, for conveying information from one point to another point, right, or from one point to many point, right. So some of the concepts which are very, very important, they are related to the signal analysis, right. So we will be studying the signal analysis from the time domain concept, right, and we will also look for frequency analysis of those signals, right, and then